Assalamu alaikum, I'm Yasir Akbar and you are watching Study Page. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Mendeley Reference Manager software and how to link it with the Microsoft Word and how to easily cite your citations and references. So the first step is to download the software. From where will you download the software? So the link is given in the description. From that link you can download the software. I already have downloaded it and let me show you how to install it. So double click on the software, run, and next I agree. Browse the location in which you want to install the software. Next, if you do not want to create a shortcut in the desktop, so check here. Otherwise, do not check this option. Install. So installation finished. Run Mendeley Desktop. Yes. Here you can see that we got a shortcut to the Mendeley Desktop software here. So one thing to note is that you will need a elsewhere account for using this Mendeley Desktop software. So if you have a Mendeley account, you can log in with that account. If you don't have that account, so register here for your Mendeley account or for your elsewhere account. So I already have an elsewhere account, so I'm going to log in here. It's my account. So this is my account. Let me log in into the software. So now this is the Mendeley software and these all are my papers. I have created different folders here and arranged my papers here. You can also do it. Create folder, click here to create a folder and you can save your papers and research article etc. in separate folders. So how will you do it? How will you add a file or a document or a research paper onto a folder? So let me show you here. This is study, for example, research, for example, random walk kernel or eigenvalues of graph. Let me add this file in this folder, graph theory folder. So simply drag the file into this software and you will see that it will got added. This is the paper, eigenvalues of graph, and all its attributes will automatically stored here. Okay, now how will you cite this file? Another way to add a file into this software is add file. Click add files and select a file from here. If you don't have a file in PDF form, if you have a link or some other format, and you can also add a file manually. So from this option, add entry manually and do all the entries manually. Okay, now how will you link this Mendeley software with the MS Word? So you can click on the tools and inside the tools install MS Word plugin. I already have installed it. So when you click here, it will automatically download and install the plugin in MS Word software. So now let me show you how will it work. So here when it install the plugin, here in reference tab you will have this portion, insert citation and open Mendeley. So if you have this portion, your Mendeley software is automatically linked with the MS Word. So let me show you how to cite from Mendeley. So let me, this is the text and I need a citation here which I of the article which I recently added. So insert site, click on insert citation and click and write here one or two words in the title of that paper. So for example, that was graph and eigenvalues of graph. This is the article which I want to cite here. So click on OK, you click on this and then click on OK. So it will automatically add it. Let's see, this is, let me add another one. For example, here I need another citation, and for example this is something related to image, for example applying hand gesture recognition. Okay, so this is another. Now how to add references? So come here, write references, references. Consider this is the references section of my article, and I want to add here all the bibliography. So in the bibliography, automatically it will come here. If you want another style of the bibliography, click here. For example, I want IEEE, so automatically it will get IEEE style. You can see it here. So this is how you will download, install, link Mendeley software with MS Word, and how will you use it. So thank you so much for watching. You can download the software from the link given in the description. If you face any problem, please ask in the comment section. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.